Hey everyone, and welcome back to Auto Insider. Today, we're getting behind the wheel of a legend, the all-new 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1. This isn't your average Corvette. This is a beast, a machine built to dominate the track and turn heads on the street. So, buckle up, gearheads and car enthusiasts, because we're about to dissect this American masterpiece. Let's start with the heart of the ZR1, the engine. Ditch the naturally aspirated setup of the Z06. The ZR1 packs a twin-turbocharged monster, LT7. We're talking rumors of over 800 horsepower, folks. That's enough to launch this rocket ship from 0 to 60 in under 3 seconds. Imagine the adrenaline rush. But power is nothing without control. Chevy hasn't forgotten that. The ZR1 features a new dual-clutch transmission, lightning fast and smooth, ensuring every gear change feels like an extension of your own will. Now, let's talk about that head-turning design. The ZR1 isn't just about aesthetics. It's about pure function. Take a look at this aerodynamic package. The massive rear wing, sculpted front splitter, all these elements work together to generate incredible downforce, pushing the car into the ground for razor-sharp cornering. It's a race car disguised as a street-legal monster. While the exterior screams track warrior, the interior isn't all about stripped-down functionality. Sure, you've got lightweight materials and performance-oriented seats, but there's a touch of luxury here too. Premium materials and a driver-focused cockpit make this a comfortable and stylish place to be, even when you're pushing the limits. So, why choose the ZR1 over its sibling? Well, if you crave the absolute pinnacle of Corvette performance, this is it. It's not just about the horsepower, it's about the total package, the raw power, precise handling, and the downforce that will shame even the most exotic European rivals. This car is a statement, a testament to American muscle reaching new heights of engineering excellence. The 2025 Chevrolet Corvette ZR1 is a force to be reckoned with. It's a car that pushes boundaries, blurs the line between track and street, and delivers an unmatched driving experience. If you're looking for the ultimate thrill ride, the ZR1 might just be your dream machine. What do you guys think? Is the ZR1 the ultimate Corvette? Let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting car reviews. Until next time, happy driving.